Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to show or enable cash on delivery based on customer tag. So basically, you have some loyal customers and you need to give cash on delivery only for those customers which customers will not give you any returns. Think of that scenario. In that case, you can use this particular use case. So for example, for this, we are using the Nex Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link of this app in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you can see a section limit COD or limit cash on delivery section. So click on this configure one, enable the global rule. Then you can select your cash on delivery payment method. That's the first step. Then next step is optional. If you already added a fee for cash on delivery, then you can have this section enabled and select your cash on delivery shipping method, which is related to cash on delivery only. I didn't add anything, so I'm just skipping that section. So next is we have different roles the enable here. We can have different tools can be enabled. So currently we are looking for customers and restrict based on our customer tag. So we are selecting the section condition show COD for the customers with tag, right? So you need to show cash on delivery only for some customers. So you are giving a COD tag for those customers which has COD, right? So I'm just saving the changes. Now the rule is active. Next thing is you need to give tag for those customers. For example, this particular customer, think of this is your frequent buyer customer. You can also give this type of tag also. I'm just giving COD tag. This will also works if you give this frequent buyer to in our app, then that will also work. So I'm just giving COD, right? Save the changes, just copying his email ID and going to our online store. I'm adding this particular product, right? So you can see now cash on delivery is not visible there since we are giving cash on only for particular customers. So I'm just adding one of our email ID checkout guy. You can see cash on delivery is not there. But if I add the email ID of a new customer or our frequent buy customer, and this is medicine, just filling a test address only. Okay. And you can see cash on delivery is visible. So this is how you can easily make available or enable cash on delivery only for your loyal customers, and for all other customers you can disable cash on delivery. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, and we also have a playlist which has different use cases. You can check that out. You can check that playlist also. Thank you.